guys, good morning. Hi Pips. Hello. It's been so long. I'm back for vlogging. I think 2 years. 2 years na ata yung last na vlog ko, which is I went to Belgium for a vacation with my friends. So ayan, hello. Now pupunta ako ngayon sa London just to get something very exciting. Ayan, so that's it. And life update, wala nang bago. Still the same. I think 2 weeks ago, I got flu. So, ang hirap magkasakit. So, kayo, mag-ingat-ingat ka. Ang hirap-hirap. So, I've been bed rest for 2 weeks. Now, ngayon lalabas ako, but still have a little bit cough, but that's alright. But now, I'm ready to go. So, nandito kami ngayon. Oh my God. Tagal ko na hindi nag-vlog kaya wala na ako sa wisyo. So, nandito kami ngayon sa service. Kakain, iihi. So, ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Let's go! You already got your McDonald's. We're going back in the car. Babalik na po kami sa sasakyan at doon nakakain. Ayun, nahihiya po ako doon kanina. So, ayun ka. Back to the car. Slap. So, ayan. Here we got 2 drinks sa McDonald's. Soup. I don't know. It's a lot, actually. My chips, pies, burger, nuggets, and salads. I think that's all we have. So we're going to eat now. We're going to eat now. Finish eating, so now I need to put my lippy, and then while it's preparing, I got Mentos. I don't know if you want Mentos. What's in my bag is just mission sunscreen, lip gloss, perfume, and lippy. Just a quick lippy. Look, it's like a nail for nail. Like that. Uy! Alright. Okay, let's go to London! Guys, we're here in London. It's a bit traffic. Look, ang haggard na ni auntie. Traffic sa daan. Look, yung mga bus, red bus. Diba? bigbus.com. So, ayan. Tapos, may mga dito na yung mga malapit yung mga museum, mga ganon, mga shops, restaurants. You can see outside mga buildings na. So we're nearly there, about 9 minutes left. Ayan. Hi guys, we're now at Wembley and we're eating here. So we're ordering food at the moment. We've been waiting. Alright, I'll see you later. Been eating a lot today. I'm cooking my spaghetti. Yeah. It's another day. It's just a random afternoon, and I'm just craving for spaghetti. So I'm cooking. That's my serum. So if you feel like it's like watery, but that's my serum. Okay, let's eat. so I'm doing a vlog today because my friend wants spaghetti. No, just kidding. Oh, because yesterday I started going back to work and nag-promise ako sa kaibigan ko na I will cook spaghetti. So I'm getting ready to cook now. So I'll show you what I have. Have sausage or hot dog sa Pilipinas, onion, garlic, cheese, spaghetti sauce, condensed, and butter. And now I'm boiling the pasta. You can see, there you go, pasta. So, ayun. So, let's start cooking the sauce. Perfect. One na natin. Konting five minutes and then all done. Go. My spaghetti. Hello guys, so I'm going out now to give that spaghetti to my friend. So she's waiting now. I'll show to you. I'll see you there. So yes, there you go guys. I'm going, so I'm very excited. You cannot zoom in. So here, we are here now in her place. So let's see how. Oop. I will just give it in the hand. No, I'm not gonna take you this one. Here, come here with the light, because there's no light in there, so you can see. There. No, oh, look, this one. There you go. That's my spaghetti. I hope you like it.
I am going to love it.
Now I already gave my spaghetti and she will try it today. So let's see what she's going to say. So I'm going to eat now. Kakain na po ako at I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!